Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all feeling tonight? Feeling great, right? Wow, what a night. But this would be successful without your presence, without the presence of the amazing stars shining right here among us. Today we have VVIPs, great minds, and celebrity guests. Celebrity guests we know, right? Icons, trendsetters, and absolute legends. So your presence, your talents, and of course, look at them, look at everyone, look at yourself. Yes, the killer fashion statement is what makes this event even more meaningful. Yes, so let us all give a big, loud, and heartfelt cheer for every one of us, welcoming each and every one of us to this 5th Tangkhul Naga Festival 2025 in the Ambrose Hall. Yes, speaking about incredible personalities, I am privileged, I am very proud to host this epic night with a person who is not just a game changer, but a driving force in our community, who is a social entrepreneur, a well-known host, and of course, the director of Indigenous Hills Network. Let us all give it up for Mr. Sorikan Harun. Wait, please. That's not everything, okay? Here is something that everyone, most of the ladies especially, is dying to hear. Okay, he is officially bachelor and very much single. So ladies, if you are looking for a person who can run a network, who can host, and of course who can steal your heart, I'm not saying, you know it.
Why are you making me nervous? Well, thank you. It's an honor to stand beside you. I don't have any words to explain your beauty this very evening. Guys, do you agree with me? Yes. Yeah? Yes. And those who are screaming over her beauty are all married men. It's okay, I can understand your feelings. All right, thank you so much for the beautiful introduction. The beautiful lady standing next to me is none other than Cecilia Zimik. She is not just pretty, she is a very intelligent lady. Beauty with the best definition of beauty with a brain. So it's an honor to host this evening with you as well. And welcome to the 5th Tangkhul Naga Film Festival. And special welcome to our non-Tangkhul friends who are present here. Tangkhul Nawin, Imaram Namakni, Itmapom Nirazan Midat Lebiwang, Yarusaikoruna. To show our love and appreciation and gratitude, shall we all give a big round of applause to our non-Tangkhul friends here? Thank you. And we believe and we hope that this evening is going to be a historic night because of your presence. And we are history makers, are we not? Right? We will be having an extravaganza night. We look forward to have an exciting and a memorable evening with you all. All right, without further ado, we will proceed with the program. Just before I call upon the person to come over here, I would like to acknowledge a few people who, without their presence, this program will be in vain. Today, this very evening, we are honored to have Sri Shamurai Latpam Navachandra Sharma, the State Coordinator of Arts and Culture Department, Government of Manipur, as the chief guest. To show our respect, to show our appreciation, we would like to welcome you with a big round of applause. Can you kindly stand from where you are seated? Thank you so much. Also, we have guests of honor present in our midst. Firstly, Alexander Leopold, the director of Manipur State Film and Television Institute. Can you kindly stand from where you are seated? Thank you so much. Also, we have Mr. James Kangembang. He is an independent documentary and filmmaker. Thank you so much. Lastly but not the least, we have our legendary personality in our midst, Assurance Rekan, the program coordinator of and the president of All Tribal Film Development Forum. To save time, I would like to quickly introduce you the special invitees. Ino Star Kamei, the president of Zelenrong Film Manipur. Ino Person Anal, the president of Tangkhul Film and Entertainment Society Chandel. Ino Sochben Kosonghung, the president of Tangkhul Music Forum. It's right over there. Ino Jendai Gangmei, the president of Rongwei Film Forum. Ino Kyumit Lemang Kyumai, the president of Liangwei Film Forum. Ino A.C. Rising, the convener of Ringway's Got Talent. He is also a local activist. Ino Y.L. Humoyung, secretary of Tawaijiao Humpung Village. And Ino Hubert Lunghar, the president of Taiso. Okay, over there. Lastly, but not the least, Ino Victor Aungshi, an actor. Thank you so much. Thank you for your presence. This evening is going to be a successful program because of your presence here tonight. Thank you all so much. To proceed with the evening's program.
Ladies and gentlemen, this festival is not just about music and film. You know that, right? Yes, it is about connecting, building friendship, and who knows, maybe to find your special someone. Do you agree? Yes, of course, music is a way of bringing people together. If a song can touch your heart, I am sure there is someone out here who can touch your heart too. So, ladies and gentlemen, open your eyes. And we, the Tangkhul Naga Film Association, we are expecting not Romeo and Juliet, but we are expecting Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas tonight. So to begin with, I would like to request each and every one of you to stand on your feet to sing the Tangkhul anthem.
I would like to call upon Ino Benjamin Kosomoshi, a member of Censor Board TNFA, to kindly come over the stage and say the opening prayer.
Gratitude, love, everything to our chief guest. Tamo sabu like from the Bachendra. Young Noire and Lucky Bagigo. Thank you so much.
Kindly come over the stage and accept a token of love and appreciation which has been prepared by Tangkhul Naga Film Association. Thank you. I would like to now call upon our guest of honor, Ino Alexander Leopold, the director of Manipur State Film and Television Institute. Thank you. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. James Kangembang, an independent documentary and filmmaker. He's also one of our guests of honor of the evening. Thank you. Next, I would like to call upon Ino Assurance Raikan, the program coordinator of the Russian Kendra and the president of All Tribal Film Development Forum. Thank you. I would like to now call upon the special invitees one after another. Firstly, Ino Star Kamei, the president of Zelenrong Film Forum Manipur. Followed by Ino Pearson Anal, the president of Tangkhul Film and Entertainment Society, Chandel. like to call upon Ino Sochipen Kosong, the president of Tangkhul Music Forum. He will be followed by Ino Jendai Gamway, the president of Rongway Film Forum. Ino Jendai Gamway, the president of Rongway Film Forum. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our special invitees of the evening. Mr. Gamway will be followed by Ino Piumalimang Tuimai, the president of Yangmei Film Forum. Mr. Tuimai will be followed by Ino AC Rising, the convener of Greenways Talent. He is also a social activist. Ino AC Rising will be followed by Ino YL Humiyu, the secretary of Tawai Chau Humpung Village. Mr. Humiyu will be followed by Ino Hubert Lumhar, the president of Taiso. Lastly but not the least, Ino Victor Aungshe, actor. Thank you all so much. That will be the end of our presentation.
Actors Shainam Ngagang and Co. Let us all welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Nang ngayon tabi masih jat tame tabi jan suya le.
Nang khang na bahai ni.
Ay tangkul marun loy ni kami.
Is kidong ikan ni ba?
As kau di hai na kita unge.
Tar.
Azui kutu. Kami gan marano. Lang katu kami ba. Kumpai sini. Sikat kahai ngiri. Kibawi kayon kala. Legacy. Mirin hita pula. Katukaw nung lisan. Makangkar. Sarawi yang kui. Magkatay na sara. Wasap luce. Atom akaway karsan. Katiyo kapungay kakatiso. Kalibahaw. Kalibahaw mo'y tingasi.
진실로 nang khang ni ri do.
Sige.
Sibiyam sidi film gi maming khattani ni.
Adu resu nung sibay tayo.
Mai gi loi ni loi.
Ay nang ay bunong sibara.
Nung si hai me di dam le di.
honorable governor and with many Ninto leaders from Ukhrul, right? Haydi, Haydi Bautaba, Haydi Deputy Commissioner in the Civil Festival, the meeting like has to bring to Mugan Minsa, and I talk the Anway. Ado soy the Maki, I couldn't laugh with it. Kajatan no one to say. Waiting Pakan Pazapazabo. Waiting is having Pazapazab to laugh, see Kajatan Tan say, Talamino simple and hygienic. Well, Plutna, a Koibu Nusido, Kaula Tenaba, a Koi Lagna wishing you, so it will be festival success on this. Thank you very much. Sir Alexander, it is yours. Ready to be ting 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 ting
no
si lấy đâu về hát lấy nên về hát lấy nông về tâm mình nông thân ấy ở trên mây lấy hầu chẳng đi được ấy ý chân lấy hầu Senapati aigi nuksi lay hore Ukhrul aigi thavai lay hore From the government side, I represent from the Aryan culture tonight. I'll do something, I promise something for the Naga Film Festival, right? Thank you.
That was a $1 million worth performance. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for the beautiful couple. I would love to buy tickets for your show in case you are performing again. Yes, it's going to be worth it, and we'd love to see you perform or act in Tangkhul movies. Kata Tangkhul Naga, a new performance me ngai mala thale dia. Yeah. Thank you. Having our dinner in a short while. The kitchen department has informed us that it's ready. Give it up for the one and only Mr. Tangkhul now on the stage. English artist.
Hello. Music, please. Thank you so much.
My Tangkhul, thank you for the beautiful song. Do you want to know the meaning of the song? It's definitely not about biryani now. I in the Hangul Ichi ine meaning I am me. It is a fact. Ask your Tangkhul friends. I am me, and the song I am meaning I am me, and I want to praise myself. Yeah, it's a self-motivating, encouraging song. Thank you so much. Give it up one more time for our
How could shirin milu naliyang gada ning lum tur ngai ai sangka ave wichi han ka vaina ave we Trina Si me namarai cha Shok me ser mi rin chan te Tang da yin da si ga fe Ki pa na ki kalamate Chi shok sa Lei ga shi atam leila How ka po ka ngayon How ka mahalimet Terasat minu Mirin baida shirin milu Naliyang gada Ning lum tur ngai ai sangka Ave wichi han ka vaina Ave we kam Trina Ring ching da lei Ave we say Say hasami behai say akon Sampang lagra Ave we kaji han kershokra Atamang shum tang How po ngayon How kama halimet Terasat minu Mirin baida shirin milu Naliyang gada Ning lum tur ngai ai sangka Ave wichi han ka vaina Ave we kam Trina Thank you.
ขอบคุณนะโอเคยิมิสเตอร์ทั้งไม่โซชิงไลและสเตจและก็กระจาย
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯛꯎꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯛꯎꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯖꯦꯝꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯛꯄꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯛꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯗꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ I am fortunate to meet you great to meet you aduga mayam lakpiriba mayamse ai yam nungsiye aduga akhoi yamwa matam sangna akhoi si sei satrabne ai budi sei haidi akhoi irang sida yaudabni na ko sei do akhoi gi metei chilnao singbubi yam kuina bundre bundabsi yam kuire ado ngasi Ukhrul da sumaina unabsi noi mayam si sal noi mayam bu unabsi yam nungai aduga through akoi gi denfa gi festivals da noi mayam bu unabsi ai kudok ai yamna lairok phobani adu ngak nungai thokse go aina ngasi se go yam nokningba wa mai ge masum keno tawse haibani akoi sida wa se ne la pana te nungai se ne la pani through nungai se ne la pase akoi gi culture si mang na ba haidana simba program amani ai ngasi yam nokning ba haige ai si pot si picking do si sok si extra yaw draba ado aina ai now thanrei da aina now nang engon the socks ama lei biro aina haiba mana es da ai lei nang adu keno tawira hakira hoi yare na mana dum happy re ko thangoi da aina adu haidra di aina mudu ai socks extra yaw to du no da haidra di khangi ro no kanam da khangi ro ai da ne ba khangi se adu madu haira da khangmane ba noi akoi mayam gi thamoi da ko hoji kari no awa ba nuai ba mayam ali ram gani adu khongdok da ni na khangdi aduna through akoi gi music festival sida adu gumba grievances gumba kari leisu adu gumba khongdok minaraga discussion doroga interaction doroga khangna si hai buli keno tawni thank you so much ai matam yam lawre ang hak nuai si ko Seba suyana pai, wanang suyita pi, wasap kita yayo pi, ekoi sunai minai, wakal si holat le, ikay na sumalat le, kung na magsayo na ngani, yun ang imay lang kamali. Sa tiyang nilay sabi no, Kinonin atau ay sumsak-pisak pa isay masuk samdarage.
Barangay at kapana, hindi ba mayamay? Yang kering kalayalo, ikalilimanin. Rinasi kong gazar ni Rindo Pili, kipawi mayang habang sondo. Sai ibig ka benji, hindi may para. Sai ibig ka benji, hindi may para.
Thank you.
The evergreen singer, the evergreen personality of the Tangkhul's. In fact, he's only 23 years old. Yeah? He's 23 years old. Every one of us here are older than him. Yeah? Let's try to look younger than him and then where is he actually? I want to talk about him in front of him. He has gone outside. He has a little secret which gives his hair. Yeah? You want to know the secret? It looks shiny, silky. So I asked him earlier what the secret is. He said it's a mixture of Vatica and sunsilk. Try to utilize that. Try to use that. It's good for hair, it seems. All right. We have come to the most important part of this festival. Are you ready for the awards? Yeah? The 5th Tangkhul Naga Film Festival Awards are ready. We are ready to give it out. To save time, we will not be reading out the nominees anymore. We will straight away go with the winners. And I would like to request our dignitaries to kindly be ready to hand over the awards to our winners. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us now declare the winners of the 5th Tangkhul Naga Film Association 2025. First, we will go with the jury mention. Three actors have been selected for this special award, jury mention. I would like to read out their names and the movie they have acted. The first winner is Miss Pilayung Jajo, who was the leading actress of Mushungwo, and Miss Rosemary Shaiza for the movie Zinger, and Mr. Amung Siro Aungshi for the movie Mayo Zingran. They have been selected for their exceptional performances that brought power to the screen. They have delivered unforgettable portrayals, earning them this well-deserved recognition. I would like to request Victor Aungshi, who is a special invitee for this evening, to kindly come forward and hand over the prizes to the winners. First of all, I'd like to request Miss Pilayung Jajo, followed by Miss Rosemary Shaiza and Mr. Amung Siwa Aungshi. Ladies and gentlemen, join us in clapping our hands and then encourage and support our winners. Rosemary Shaiza, kala Amung Siwa nila shop mi mamalo. Okay, Rosemary Shaiza is here. Let us go with her. Pilayung is not present here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, jury mention winner, Miss Rosemary Shaiza, for her performance in the movie Zinger. Thank you. Followed by Mr. Amung Siro Aungshi for his performance in the movie Mayo Zingran.
For the best child artist, I would like to request our special invitees, Hubert Lunghar, President Taisol, to kindly come over the stage to give away the prize. For the best child artist, the winner goes to Zingrin Ningshan. Zingrin Ningshan for the movie Atazan. For a remarkable and heartfelt performance, Zingrin Ningshan brings innocence to the screen. Her natural talent and emotion expression leave a lasting impression, making her a true standout in the film. Let us all give it up for Zingrin Ningshan.
He is not Zingrin, he is not the winner, it's
He wanted to get the prize, so let him have it. For the best makeup award will be given by YL Humayung, Secretary Tawai Jau Humpung Village. I would like to request YL Humayung, Secretary Tawai Jau Humpung Village, to kindly give away the prize. To give away, I would like to request Mr. Hubert Lunghar. So best makeup goes to Miss Ayanao Kangra, featured in the movie A Dozen. For the outstanding artistic precision, creativity, and skill, Miss Ayanao Kangra transforms characters with remarkable detail and authenticity, bringing them to life with depth and realism. He is the CEO. He claims to be the CEO, but I'm not sure. We'll have to confirm later.
Award ka bili Sharon the Jack shop pala. Thank you so much, Mr. Hubert Lumha, for doing the honor. We will now go to best costume. For this award, I'd like to request Mr. A.C. Rising, the convener of RGT, to kindly come over the stage and hand over the award. The best costume goes to Coca Productions for the movie Avui Kamsui. For the exceptional creativity, Coca Productions delivers meticulously crafted costumes capturing the essence of time, culture, and emotion with stunning detail and artistry. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Coca Productions.
For the best background score, I would like to request Ino A.C. Rising. Yes, please. Best background score goes to Mr. Okchar Kaping, featured in the movie Machine Walk. For an evocative composed score, Mr. Okchar Kaping enhances the film's emotional depth that lingers long after the credits roll. Let us give it up for Okchar Kaping. Mayonshin Lunglang on his behalf. Thank you so much, Ino A.C. Rising.
Thank you. I would like to now request Ino Puma Limang Tuimai, the president of Young Mai Film Forum, to kindly come over the stage and do the honor to present the award for the best screenplay. Ladies and gentlemen, the best screenplay goes to Mr. Makani Ramror for the movie Ashura. The award has been given for a brilliantly crafted narrative that captures the human crisis of our time. Mr. Makani Ramror delivers a screenplay that captivates and inspires in a truly unforgettable way.
For the best supporting role male, I would like to call upon Ino Chiantai Kangmei, President Rongmei Film Forum, to kindly do the honor to give away the award. So the best supporting role male goes to Mr. Oshim Sohonao in the movie Chihami Part 2. For a compelling performance, Mr. Oshim Soho brings remarkable nuance and presents to the character in the film. Let us all give it up for Oshim Sohonao.
Thank you so much. For the next award, I would like to request Ino Sochibamko Somhum, the president of Tangkhul Music Forum, to kindly come over the stage and hand over the award. Okay. Since Mr. Sochibam is not present at the moment, so I would like to request Ino Personana, the president of Tangkhul Film and Entertainment Society, to kindly do the honor. It's a privilege for our special invited because the next award winner is Best Supporting Role Female. Yeah, your prayer has come true. Alright, for the Best Supporting Role Female goes to Mrs. Temriwan Raipin for the movie Avui Kamsui. She has been awarded this award for a captivating and emotionally profound performance. Mrs. Temriwan Raipin brings depth to her role, and her presence enriches the story with authenticity and grace. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ino Bersenana. Now, I would like to call upon Ino Star Kame, President Ziliang Rong Film Forum Manipur, to kindly do the honor to give away the award. I've been having a hard time pronouncing this I'm so sorry. I have to practice the tongue twister. So the best cinematographer, I did right? Yes, goes to Mr. Raikang Chajo. The movie Mayor Zingran has been awarded this award for masterfully capturing light, movement, and emotion. Mr. Raikang Chajo's artistic vision and technical excellence create a cinematic experience that elevates the power of storytelling. Let us once again give it up for Mr. Raikang Chajo.
For the next award, I would like to request Ino Excellence Raikang, our guest of honor, to kindly come over the stage and do the honor. Mr. Excellence Raikang. Okay. He is not present at the moment, so I would like to request Mr. James, our guest of honor, Mr. James, to kindly do the honor. The next award is for the best editor. And the award goes to Mr. Bumshing Rungsung for the movie Shihame Part 2. He has been awarded for seamless and masterful pacing. Mr. Bumshing Rungsung weaves together moments and precision and artistry. His keen eye for detail and rhythm enhances the film's emotional depth, crafting an immersive cinematic experience. Congratulations, Mr. Bumshing.
Thanks so much, James. Yes, for the best producer, Mr. James will do the honor, and the best producer goes to your favorite, Mr. Norbert Kaye. Mr. Norbert Kaye won the best producer for the film Shihame Part 2. For visionary leadership and collaboration, Mr. Norbert Kaye brings a compelling story to life with passion and excellence. His dedication to storytelling, artistic integrity, and cinematic excellence has been instrumental in shaping a film that sets a high aesthetic benchmark. Congratulations, Norbert Kaye. Thank you so much, Shri James.
For the next award, I would like to call upon one of our guests of honor, Ino Alexander Leopold, to kindly come over the stage and do the honor. And the next award is for the best director. Any guesses for the winner? Okay, then I'll read it out. The best director goes to Mr. Makanmi Ramro for the movie Mayo Zingran. Makanmi Ramro has been awarded this award for visionary storytelling. Mr. Makanmi Ramro crafts a cinematic experience that is both timely and deeply relevant to his people. His ability to blend narrative with emotion adds depth to every scene, delivering powerful messages that resonate with the hearts and minds of the audience. Congratulations, Mr. Makanmi Ramro.
Now, to give away the award for Best Actor, I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Nabachandra Singh, to Sri Nabachandra Volcano Sharma, to kindly give away the reward. The Best Actor may, before I announce this, I would like to introduce you all my little brother who looks exactly like the main actor who won this award as the best actor. So, brother, please come over here. And ladies and gentlemen, please tell me if they look alike or not. Yes, the best actor male goes to Mr. Tangkhul Naga. For the film A Dozen, for a powerful and deeply moving performance that captivates and inspires with exceptional skill and originality, Mr. Tangkhul Naga leaves a lasting impact on audiences, embodying the true power of care and compassion for those in need. Thank you, Mr. Tangkhul Naga.
Azak Rui Asia Baina, away China. Matulik, oh my god, they go to our next movie. Alright, now let us proceed to the best actor female. Is there any guesses for the winner? I've heard a name from 2 people. Alright, the best actor female goes to, yes, Miss Chung Sangla Jajo for the movie Mayu Zinran. She has been selected as the winner for an extraordinary performance that transcends the screen, embodying the depth of human emotion with authenticity and nuance. With remarkable dedication, Ms. Chung Sangla Jajo brings her character to life, delivering an unforgettable experience. She beautifully captures the true essence of a mother and wife, navigating challenging circumstances to hold her family together. Congratulations, Chung Sangla.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, to give away the last and final award, that is the Best Film Award, I would like to call upon our respectable President Y.L. Ravins to give away the award. So, any guesses from the crowd? The best film. Any guesses? A dozen? Any more? Okay, the Best Film Award goes to Mayo Zingrang, for its powerful storytelling that resonates deeply with the times. Mayo Zingrang stands as a testament to the transformative power of cinema. With a compelling narrative, outstanding performances and masterful execution, this film leaves an indelible mark. Thank you so much.
Can I acknowledge you? Tangkhul Naga Film Association President and Founding Initiative could shock me lots of my team. These are the people working behind the stage to make this program a success. Actually, I'm going to rock now. We have a group of people who are working with our reason why they are upset. Unfortunately, I don't have their names and profile with me. I just want to, club together every one of them here. They all deserve this round of applause. Okay, some of them are not there, but still, thank you all so much. A big round of applause for Tangkhul team. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. We have come to the end of the program, and just before we wind up, I, Sorintan Haure, and on behalf of my beautiful co-host here, Cecilia Zimik, would like to thank each and every one of you for being very supportive. We made this all together, and this is us signing off. Hopefully we'll see you in the 6th Tangkhul Naga Film Festival. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Good night, everyone. Enjoy your night. See you soon.